I hope everybody's having a good Friday this week. Just like last week, I would like to give you a summary of all of the best Android app and game sales of the week that I have published over on playstoresales.com. So every weekday, part of my morning routine is to go through and find out which application and games are currently discounted from their full price. I've been maintaining this website for a few years now, and I just think it's going to be a good idea to share some of these discounts with people before the weekend hits, just so that you can have some new ways to kill time whenever you get bored. So the first apps that I want to highlight today first is called Layer Paint HD, which looks to be a digital art application, normally charging $6.99, but is currently on sale for $3. There's also a new weather application that's currently gaining popularity called eRadar HD. Been seeing this application come up at a discount fairly often, like maybe once every 2 or 3 months. Normally costs $3, but you can grab it right now for only $1. Then we can switch over to the games that are currently on sale. We have the original Bridge Constructor game that's 50% off. We have a game called Vengeance that is currently $2 off. A more action-oriented game called Gunslugs 2 by the developer Orange Pixel. Usually $3.50 that you can get for only $1 right now. Then we have Star Vikings Forever. Normally costs $5, but you can get it right now for only $2. A more space-oriented game called Space Agency 2138. It's on the newer side, but again, it's starting to gain a little popularity for almost 50% off. Popular strategy game Star Traders Frontiers is currently discounted from $7 down to $4. A brain exercise application called Mind Games Pro. You can get it normally for $3, but you can grab it right now for free. And when you download these apps that have been discounted for nothing, once you download those and associate your account with them, they will always be attached to your account forever, even when the price goes back up. We have 2 of the SemiRoast games. These are more point-and-click adventure style games. We have Part 3 that is only $2, as well as Part 2, which is only $1. Very popular point-and-click games. Another one of the more popular games that I haven't really seen in a while called Super Brothers Sword and Sorcery. Again, another one of those point-and-click adventure type games. It's currently half off. Sentinels of the Multiverse, which I believe is a fighting game. You can get it for only $1 right now. These are all temporary sales, meaning that if you do not buy or download them now, the price could go back up tomorrow. There's very few sales that actually announce when their sale is going to end. Some of them last for 24 hours. Some of them only last for 3 days. If you're into the side-scrolling shoot-'em-up games, both R-Type is only $1, as well as R-Type 2. Again, only $1. Even Raiden Legacy is $2 right now. And lastly, we have Final Fantasy VIII Remaster. It's been available on PC and consoles, I believe, for a bit. This week, it was released on Android and iOS for the first time. The launch price for this game is $21, in line with other Square Enix Final Fantasy games, at least the ones later on in the series. Until April 5th, they have confirmed in their App Store page. Until April 5th, you'll be able to get this game on Android for only $17. And I do want to point out that right now, both cloud saves and controller support is not added to this game on Android. The developers have said that those features will be coming in a future update. So you may want to grab this now while it's on sale and wait for that update to come in. However, these Final Fantasy games go on sale 2 or 3 times a year, sometimes as much as 50% off. So if you are not in a hurry to play this, you may want to wait a little bit. Now, to give you a sneak peek of 2 app sales that are not currently on PlayStoreSales.com, but will be going up later today. One of them is called 8 Minute Empire, a board game from Akram Digital. Normally costs $5, but you can get it for only $3 right now. As well as another board game from the same developer called Istanbul. Normally it's going to cost you $7, but you can get it right now for just under $5. Those are the newest Android application and game discounts for this week, ending on March 26th, 2021. You can find those and more over on the website PlayStoreSales.com right now.